someone is banging outside, there's Diwali patakas going on. Hey everyone, this is Dimple here and welcome back to my channel. Well, before I go ahead with anything, I want to say thank you all so much for the 3000 subscription because I didn't expect. It was like, ooh. Basic thing was a time when I actually stopped looking at how many subscriptions I'm getting because I was so involved into other things and work and the YouTube bit and all that. So I hardly had time to actually check what is basically happening to my subscription. But when I actually was nearing 3000 and I got a notification saying I have crossed 3000 subscribers, I'm like, what? So thank you all so much. It is like, I am so glad and happy. Thank you all so much. And if background my daughter shouts or screams, so please excuse that because she's a growing baby, so she can't keep quiet. Okay, so coming back to today's video, obviously I am without the makeup, so it is obvious it's going to be related to skincare routine. So I'm going to talk about pores, how I get rid of my open pores and how I take care of my skin. Basically now my skin is really bad coming to see because I've started getting all these pigmentations and all that, and normally I didn't have all this. I've not been taking care of my skin properly. I think stress and too much of workload, crazily working these days day and night, and plus the baby. So I think that is the reason I've not been taking care of my skin. So I thought चलो दिवाली is coming up, let me थोड़ा बहुत तो करूँ मैं अपनी शक्ल को ठीक करने के लिए. Now these are for the people who requested me to talk in Hindi. So the skincare routine which I'm going to talk about is skin pore. What is skin pore? It's like a small pits which you have on your face, and your face tend to look very pale and it look like orange kind of peel or something, and you tend to get a lot of acne and blackheads and whiteheads, which your skin tends to look a little patchy. So this time during December my skin tends to dry, tend to look a little patchy, and tend to get these light marks here and there because of the dryness, and I'm not been taking care. So basically today's video is going to be on 3 amazing packs which I'm going to share for your skin to get the glowing skin on your face and get that festive look for the festive season, because Diwali is coming, Christmas, New Year, everything is coming up. So you want to look good. It does not mean you have to do heavy makeup to look good. Yeah, I would recommend you all to try these 3 packs which I'm going to show you all after this, and it works miracles because it does for me. These I have been tried with all the different skins, like oily, normal and dry skin. I've tried it on myself. It works wonders. That is why I'm shooting this video for y'all. Now, other than that, there are few things which you have to follow. Obviously, there are tips I'm going to give you all to have a healthy glowing skin.
So there's a point. One is
always drink a lot of water and keep yourself hydrated, like how I keep drinking.
I'm having green tea, so. Yeah.
Always keep hydrating yourself with green tea, water, whatever you have. The best thing to keep your skin healthy.
so point 2.
Sleep. You have to sleep at least 8 hours a day, which I don't do. That is why I think I'm getting all that. The thing is because obviously I have a small baby, she doesn't sleep in the night, and daytime I can't sleep because I have work to complete. So there's housework, office work, plus the YouTube thing. So there's a hell lot of things running in my life.
So point 3 is
Eat healthy food. You can't just say, oh listen, I need to reduce, quit food. Food doesn't go anywhere on your reducing weight. It doesn't help you at all actually. You in fact lose your hair, lose your skin, lose everything. You will tend to look old also. So basic thing is eat healthy food. Healthy food does not mean have tons and tons of oily food. Healthy food means have a lot of fruits, vegetables, protein, fiber. So that's healthy food. Okay.
point 4
Is steaming. I would recommend to do full body steaming once a week at least to get beautiful skin and get rid of those dryness on your face. So steaming is one thing which always helped me, and I think a lot of people don't do that. Guys and girls should steam to get beautiful skin.
point 5 is
Is working out. You need to work out, then only you'll sweat out, like steaming obviously, but working out works wonders to your skin. So I would recommend to work out. I'm not saying work out like crazy 4 hours, 5 hours in the gym. Just do that for half an hour, 45 minutes every day. You can dance, you can just do skipping, you can run down up the staircase, you can do anything which you love doing, which you just have to sweat out. So that will help you to get glowing skin.
I don't know which point I am in. I think the next point would be
Exfoliate your skin. Scrubbing out your skin would help to take all the dead skin which is there on your skin, and it will help you to get that glowing skin.
the last point I would add is
In a bowl, put lots and lots of ice cubes and add water and wash your face with that water. That would help you to keep your skin hydrated and glowing, and it will help to close the pores. So do that every single day, twice, and that would help to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. So I think these are the tips and tricks on having a healthy skin, which you want a skin something like me. I hope my skin is quite healthy that I'm explaining all this. And other than that, these are the 3 amazing packs you should follow. So stay tuned to watch these 3 amazing packs. The first pack is eggs. Eggs is used to make the enlarged pores shrink because it tightens and tones the skin. The mass of the egg white helps to take out the excess oil from the greasy skin. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of oats. This is oats powder. Add 1 egg and 1 lime. I'm squeezing out the lime and adding it into the mixture. Mix this really well. Make an even paste and apply it on the face. Keep it for 30 minutes. Rinse it off with cold water. Apply the paste twice a week for beautiful skin. Egg masks are excellent remedies for clogged pores and can also be used to treat virulent forms of acne. Tomato pack, even called as tomato lotion. Apply tomato juice on the face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it with warm water. Tomato contains high level of acid and potassium, which helps to reduce blemishes on the face. Sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder helps to reduce blemishes. Sandalwood powder is an amazing toner and cleanser. Prepare a paste by mixing sandalwood powder and water and apply it to the face. Massage with circular movements and rinse thoroughly after leaving it for 10 to 15 minutes to get that amazing glowing face. This is the end result after applying the pack. Do try out this pack and do comment down and tell me how well it works for you. And you can send your pictures by hashtagging me to DimpleD'Souza13. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.